Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Last day I have read the story of Aquilia and also the Rex. Rex is the crow and Aquilia is an eagle. So yes, they become the competitor and actually Rex's behavior was not good and Aquilia behaved very gently. So whenever Rex has showed his that flying capacity and how he was means how 101 ways of flying that time Aquilia could fly very high, but he did not boast. Boast means you know that talks more about himself. He did not boast. So that's why how Rex learned the way of gentle talking from Aquilia. This is the story of these things. And finally, that Aquilia Rex and Aquilia saved Rex from the water, from the sea, and they became friends. So this is the story. So tick the correct options to answer the question. So why do you think the other crows made Rex their king? They were impressed by how strong Rex was. And they were scared of how strong. Actually, they were sometimes not impressed. They were scared of how strong Rex was. These two answers we can write, but first one, number one, they are impressed. Number one. Number two, why do you think the King Rex was foolish? He was proud of something that did not make him better king. He had to take help from Aquilia. Number A, he was very proud. Number three, how do you know that Aquilia is simple and wise? Aquilia did not show off even though he was a better flyer. Aquilia also thought that the crow should be the king. So number one, 3A also. He did not show off his quality. Number 4, what led to King Rex's downfall? His pride, and he showed off. Obviously, Rex's downfall means his pride. Number A, 4 also A. Number 5, could King Rex 101 ways of flying help him in one way, any way? No, actually that is no, because that Aquilia saved him from drowning. So number 5, B. And here choose the best answer. Draw a smiley against it. If someone tries to put you down by showing off the latest video game, what would you do? So listen quietly and not show off in return. Ask your father to go get one so that you can show off two. So obviously first one, you should listen carefully and you need not to show off anything. So first one, we can, here I can write 1, we can draw a smiley for A. Number 2, your neighbor has brought a new cricket set and shows it off. How would you feel? Jealous? Happy for him? Obviously happy. B, we can draw a smiley. Number 3, say your father has got you new bicycle. It looks smart and pretty. Which of these would you do? Bring about it to all my friends and allow my friends to ride it too. Obviously allow your friends. So 3B, we can draw a smiley. And next, make a poster with this poem. Decorate with colorful pictures. If you get time, you can make a poster. If you are not getting time, no need to make now. After the exam of the final term exam, that time you can make a poster. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant sand. Thus the little minutes, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. You know that. Okay. And remember, be humble. Obviously, from this chapter we can learn, be humble. Humble means very gentle. Be happy with the little joys you have to life. Whatever you are having, be happy with this. Be happy with the little action you do in life. Whatever you are doing in your home, school, in your playground, you should be happy with this. Share your things with everyone. Do not show off what you have. Do not compare yourself, because everybody is having another good qualities. Whatever you are having, somebody is having another qualities. So, do not compare yourself with others. Comparison is not good. Not good always. Do not demand things that others have. If someone is having good pencil box, you are having one good pen or good pencil, good school bag. So whatever you are having, be happy with this. That's the value of this chapter. So you should be always happy and you should be gentle, polite. You are learning from this chapter. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.